Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you the Stylist tools for clients, messages, reviews, analytics,
Open clients to see who's booked and how often. Messages keeps every client chat in one place. Reviews shows your rating and recent feedback. Analytics is a paid feature. Here's the upgrade. Open plans to compare free with the paid tiers.
toward the tools behind repeat clients, reputation, and growth. Everything a stylist needs to grow.